Still loading. Okay, we're now live on YouTube. I have Mr. Jones in front of me. Mr. Jones has two cases. I got paperwork on my screen for a case ending in 85. Is 84 going to be TIC?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Jones, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm about to share my screen with you. Let's see. Oh, hold on. I need to open the paperwork, Paul. Come on. Excuse me, I'm still waking up. I'm not what I need to do computer wise. One sec. Huh? Try this again. Okay. Okay. Do you see my screen, sir?
Yes.
Is your name Darren Jones?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Darren Jones who in this cause number 2025 CC 016585 who stands charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes.
Okay. This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes the plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on 1 minute, please. Do you understand that on a plea no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please decide if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, it is a $0 fine plus court costs, 28 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, this will be a judgment satisfied. Additionally, Your Honor, as part of this agreement, the state will be taking into consideration and dismissing cause number 2025 CC 016584.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms. Muller?
It is.
Do you agree with this, Mr. Jones?
Yes, sir.
Then, Mr. Jones, the court having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 20 days in the Bear County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2025 CC 016-584. That means that case will be dismissed and returned for your plea in this case. Do you know if these are the only cases holding your client, Ms. Miller?
Yes, there are.
Are you retained or appointed in this case?
I am appointed, Your Honor, from the through the public defender's
Okay.
office.
Oh, you're a public defender?
Yes.
Okay, then there's no pay voucher. I was going to see that we needed to pay you not, but evidently not. Okay, so then, Mr. Jones, these are the only
Yes.
cases holding you. Should be released sometime today. Okay.
Okay.
Tell the deputies that we're finished with your case. All right, Miss Miller, you can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
Good morning, Attorney Viario. Do you have an offer in your case?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I also just realized that my plea paperwork didn't have the voucher on there because I am appointed.
Okay, I'll send you a voucher. Sorry about that.
No worries. Thank you.
Are both cases, is it a plea on both cases? So I can put it on the voucher? Okay.
Yes, one's going to be TAC.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry, we're waiting on a breakout room, okay?
Deborah?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, may I speak with the DA, please?
Okay, one moment.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The body creek should be brought another day. For the voting, yeah.
Oh,
Okay, Miss Settle. The DA is still conferring with somebody. As soon as we
Okay.
get her. Are you ready on, which case are you ready on?
Well, Judge, it's Tommy Guerrero. He's got
Okay.
7 cases. We're pleading on 5.
Are they all the same charge? Or are
Yes,
they-
they are. They're all terroristic threat class B.
Okay, okay. And who is that on the screen right now? What's your name, sir?
That's Tommy Guerrero, Judge.
Tom
That's-
Guerrero? Okay. Ms. Guerrero, we're working on the DA. Just hold on, all right?
And Judge, this is going to be one where, I'm going to ask for a JSAT, and so,
You know my policy, if he's got credit for time for at least half the time, I'll JSAT it. If he doesn't, then I will not. And you need to know that ahead of time. Your client needs to know that ahead of time. If you need to confer with him about that, you need to confer with him about it.
no, he's close enough that, yeah, it should be okay. I've explained the possibilities.
Okay. Maybe give him about 5 more minutes in that conference and then go in and tell him we have a plea ready, okay?
Okay, Judge.
Deborah,
Yes.
can I go back to my Megan Kelly, please?
Yes, one moment.
Okay, we have a plea ready on Mr. I'm sorry, Guerrero. Mr. Guerrero, hold on a minute. Let me pull up one of your paperwork. Okay, Mr. Guerrero, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, and Mr. I've been told that Mr. Guerrero is pleading on make sure I understand this. He's pleading on 5 cases, is that right?
Yes, excuse me, yes.
And the cases that he's pleading on, let me mark those on my paper docket first. I've got 03 on my screen. Sure. Is that one being a plea? Or is that going to be a plea?
That's a plea, Judge.
Okay. And what are the other be a plea on? Or is 05 going to be a plea?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and let me go back over here to 686. Is that going to be a plea?
No, that's TIC.
That'll be TIC. Okay, and then what about 689?
TIC.
That'll be a TIC. And then 690, 690,
Plea.
that'll be a plea. And then 91 will be a plea, and
Yes.
01 will be a plea. Is that right?
Right.
Okay. So then, sir, Mr. Guerrero. Mr. Guerrero
He doesn't have his headphones on.
does not have his headphones on.
There he goes.
Okay. Mr. Guerrero, I've already sworn you in. So is your name Tommy Guerrero?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Is your name,
Speak up, Mr. Guerrero. We
Yes,
can't
Your
hear
Honor.
you.
are you the same Tommy Guerrero who house number 2056703, who in this cause number, as well as cause number 2025 CC 016705, and in cause number 2025 CC 016690, as well as cause number 2025 CC 016691, and also cause number 25 CC 016701. Are you the same person in all 5 of those cases charged with the office? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you got to speak up louder. If I
Yes,
can't
Your
hear you,
Honor.
I can't take your plea. Okay. All 5 of these cases are class. And it's possible.
Yes, Your Honor.
Get your headset right, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All 5 of your cases are Class B misdemeanors, and it's possible in all 5 of your cases that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $2,000. That punishment
Sure.
applies to all 5 of your cases. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking at a document that you have filed in all 5 of your cases entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Put your ear.
Ms. Guerrero, you need to put your headphone on.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Okay, now let's do this again. You have filed, look at the screen, you filed the documents in all 5 of these cases entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. And when you did that, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that
Yes,
correct?
Your Honor.
Now, I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have filed this in all 5 of your cases. You have signed it in all 5 of your cases. Did you go over this document with your attorney in all 5 of these cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain these cases to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand them?
Yes.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Again, you have filed this document in all 5 of your cases. You have signed it in all 5 of your cases, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your
So
Honor.
then, okay, in cause number 2025 CC 016703 to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, in cause number 2025 CC 01605, where you're charged with terroristic threats, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest. No contest, Your Honor.
Okay, in cause number 2025 CC 016690 to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no
No
contest?
contest. No contest.
Okay, and then in cause number 2025 CC 016691 to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead in that case? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
All right, and then in cause number 2025 CC 016701 to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Sir? How do you plead in cause number 2025 CC 016701 to terroristic threats? How do you plead in that case?
No contest.
Okay. And you understand that on pleas of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain in these cases? Can I ask the state if it's the same? I'm assuming it is. Can you just recite it once?
Yes, Your Honor, it is the same, and it is a $0 fine plus court costs, 60 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent. And this judgment is not yet satisfied, Your Honor, as the defendant currently has 26 days in custody. And Your Honor, as part of this agreement, the state will be taking into consideration two cases. The first is 2025 CC 016689, and the second case is 2025 CC 016686.
Okay. Usually, Ms. Settle, if he has half the time in, I will judgment Saturday, but he doesn't have half the time in, so I'm not going to judgment Saturday, but he should be real close to getting out. Do you still want to do this, Ms. Settle? Are you still okay with this?
Yes, Your Honor.
plea
Honor,
bargain?
I discussed
Mr.
the possibility with him, yes.
And Mr. Guerrero, you still want to do this, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then the court, sir, I'll have to do these one by one because of the paperwork. In cause number 2025 CC 016703, that cause number, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs, 60 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, judgment is satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2025 CC 016686, and then cause number 2025 CC 016689. That means those cases will be dismissed and returned for your plea and the other cases.
Judge,
Yes.
was that meant to be judgment satisfied, or is he to serve the rest of his time?
It's not judgment satisfied because it's,
Okay.
no, I'm not
The
oh,
okay.
oh, I see. I clicked the wrong button because I'm so
Yes.
used to doing that. Sorry.
It's okay.
Thank
you.
you. Thank you for catching that for me.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me see. Okay, so then I've still got a whole bunch more cases to do here. So please be patient with me while I do these. Mr. Guerrero.
Are they done with them yet?
I still need him on the bench. Please don't take him away yet.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, I got to do all your paperwork or else you could be in really a big mess. Hold on.
Miss Taylor,
Yes.
do you know if he has 26 days on all of those cases?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's 26 on all of them.
Okay, thank you.
Headset on so you can hear the judge.
Okay, I've done 2. I still need to do 3 more, so please be patient with me.
They're still talking to you.
Okay, now where we go? No. And since I already indicated on one of the cases, the other cases that were TIC, I'm not going to type it in all the others. All right, I've done it in a 1. That should be enough, right, Jordan? I hope.
Sorry, say that again, Judge?
On one of these cases that I've already typed in the cases that were taken into consideration, so I'm not going to retype it in all 5 of his cases.
Yes, sir. 1 should be fine.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
That's the 3rd case. So I've got 2 more cases to do. Just hold on.
We're not done with the house seat.
Okay, I'm doing the 4th case right now. And now I'm doing the 5th case. Sorry, it's loading.
Don't touch it.
My computer is just loading real slowly. Oh, let me try it again. All right, here we go. Okay, Mr. Guerrero, you have pled no contest on all 5 cases, and I've sentenced you in all 5 cases to 6.
He doesn't have his earphone. Have his,
You just asked me, I just.
Put your earphones on, sir.
Headset on.
Earphones. Mr. Guerrero, you have pled no contest to 5 cases. I've sentenced you in all 5 cases to $0 fine plus court costs in 60 days. I'm giving you credit for time served, but I'm not judgment satisfying it. You still have more days to do. Do you understand that?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, good luck to you. Excuse, Miss Settle, thank you. You can be
Thank you.
excused.
Yes, it is.
And Jordan, you need to really check on me on those. Make sure I got all 5 of those cases done, and let's make sure that the DA gives us those 2 dismissals on those other 2 cases by the end of the meeting. Not immediately, but later on. We'll have to double check to make sure she gets me those dismissals. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have something, Your Honor.
Oh, you already sent them to me. Man, you're efficient. Golly, I'm not used to this. Head of your section. Never mind. Don't tell me. All right. What's going on next? Debbie?
Judge, this is Gallegos.
Mr. Gallegos?
Attorney Davalos, I think she's there.
Natalie Rose Gallegos, is that who I have in front of me?
That's
Yes, it
correct,
is.
Judge.
Okay. Let me put up that paperwork. 1 minute. Okay. Could you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
I do.
Okay, hold on. Okay, Ms. Gallegos has got 3 cases. The case I have on my screen right now is 5-2. What is happening on 5-4 and 3-6?
They're being TIC'd, Your Honor.
Both those cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Ma'am, is your name Natalie Rose Gallegos?
Yes, it is, sir. Natalie Rose Gallegos.
Natalie Rose Gallegos. Okay. Are you the same Natalie Rose Gallegos who in this cause number 2025 CC 014652 who's charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
It is me.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment is?
Yes, I do understand, sir.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
I did.
But is that correct? It's okay to do it by video?
It is okay.
All right. I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
We did.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes,
And do you understand it?
I do.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
I am a citizen of the United States.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
I do.
So then, to the offense of assault, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Hold on 1 minute. And you understand on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
They did not.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, it is a $0 fine plus court cost, 61 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, this will be a judgment satisfied. Additionally, Your Honor, as part of this agreement, the state will be taking into consideration and dismissing two cases. The first is 2025 CC 016036, and the second is 2025 CC 014654.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms. Davalos?
That's correct, Judge.
Do you agree to this, Ms. Gallegos?
Yes, that is an agreement.
Then Ms. Gallegos, in cause number 2025 CC 014652, where the court has heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 61 days in the Bear County Jail. Give your credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied.
Thank you.
Wait a minute. And taken into consideration will be cause number 2025 CC 014654, and then cause number 2025 CC 016036. That means those cases will be dismissed and returned for your plea in these cases. Do you know
Yes.
if these are the only cases holding your client, Ms. Gallegos? Ms. Davalos?
Yes.
He,
Yeah.
he's serving a sentence, Your Honor, on a motion to revoke, so he won't be released necessarily.
Okay. So as far as these cases are concerned, these cases will no longer hold you. All right. I don't know about any other cases that are out there. And if there's a motion to revoke this file, that still could hold you. Do you understand that? But these cases will not.
Understood.
Okay. Good luck to you. Take care.
That's all.
Davalos, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I have nothing further. May I be excused?
You can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, the interpreter is here for Flores Jimenez. Attorney Patrick Lamas would like to speak with the ADA in Valverde. Do you want me to wait until after this plea, or?
Can we do this plea and then have you confirmed? That way I can, let me put it in impolite terms, get rid of the interpreter?
Yeah, yes,
I knew
Judge.
it. Good morning, Judge.
Or put it in polite terms, not keep the interpreter here, waiting all morning long. So,
Thank you.
all right, and the interpreter is here on which case now?
Flores Jimenez, page 1 at the top. Yes, Judge.
1 minute, let me find him on my screen. Okay, Mr. Flores has got 2 cases. I got paperwork on my screen for 2 cases. Is he pleading to both those cases?
No, Your Honor, we are TIC in the reckless driving.
The reckless driving is being TIC, so he's going to plead on the 5-3 case. Let me see if I can find that. Hold on. This is the 6-3 is what he's pleading on then, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, can you please raise your right hand for me?
Judge, do you mind putting them?
Oh, the
Yes.
interpreter. I got to hit the dreaded interpreter.
There
button.
you go.
All right. Yeah. All right. Let me go over here. I gotta hit the interpreter button. Interpretation. Here we go. Gotta type in the interpreter's name. All right. Ali, where is it? Okay, let me just start typing R. There it is. Clicking on the interpreter's name, hitting start. Now I'm going back to the interpreter button and hitting English only. I have it set up on my side. Does he have it set up on his side?
Yes, Judge, he said he
Do the
does.
deputies please set up the interpretation thing on the on the?
Sí, la escucho.
Okay. All right, sir. Can you raise your right hand?
Okay.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
Lo juro.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you.
Okay.
Okay. One moment here. What am I doing? Where is my picture? All right. All right. Do you see my screen?
Sí.
All right. Is your name Jose Rodolfo Flores Jimenez?
Sí. Sí.
Are you the same Jose Rodolfo Flores Jimenez who in this cause number 2025 CC 016563 who is charged with the offense of escape from custody? Is that you?
Sí.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It is possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Sí.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Sí.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí.
And do you understand it?
Sí.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
No.
You understand that a plea of guilty or finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Sí.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It's possible you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí.
And have you talked to this with your about this with your client, Ms. Villarreal? Does he understand the possible immigration consequences?
Yes, Your Honor, he does.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed this, sir, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
So then, to the offense of escape from custody, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Okay, 1 minute. You understand on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Sí.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anybody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, it is a $0 fine plus court costs, 31 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, both time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, this will be a judgment satisfied. Additionally, Your Honor, as part of this agreement, the state will be taking into consideration and dismissing cause number 2025 CC 016488.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Villarreal?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Flores Jimenez?
Sí.
Okay, then, so the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 31 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2025 CC 016488. That means that case will be dismissed in return for your plea in this case. I'm assuming that he has probably an immigration hold.
No, Your Honor, he does not.
He does not have an immigration hold. All right. So are these the only cases holding it then?
Yes, Your Honor.
If these are the only cases holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Okay? Good luck to you.
Okay.
Judge, do I need to
Thank you.
send the voucher?
I got it.
You got it?
I already submitted it. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Then Miss Villarreal, you can be excused.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
No, there's nothing else for the dreaded interpreter. Merry Christmas and a bah humbug to you. Okay. Bye-bye. All right, let's see. I'm looking for
Judge, can the ADA and Valverde go in a breakout room now? Or
they certainly can because I got a bunch of dismissal I need to sign.
okay, thank you. Breakout room 6, please.
Senator dismissal Jimenez. Senator dismissal on Natalie Rose Gallegos. Sign another dismissal on Natalie Rose Gallegos. These are cases that were taken into consideration. Okay, now I've got 2 more TSC cases I'm signing. Okay. Signed a dismissal in Guerrero is a TIC case. I signed another one besides that, but anyway. Okay, all right, waiting for the DA to finish confirming. Debbie, can you give him another 5 minutes and then go ahead and tell him,
Yes, Judge. And Judge, while we're not busy right now, on Karen Corby's paperwork with Megan Hunter, she Jordan, are you there?
I'm here, Debbie.
Okay, I'm sorry. Judge Karen, do you want to explain about the visitation part?
Yes, Judge. On the paperwork of the last sheet is a attorney certification of the jail visit, and it wouldn't let me fill it in. And I know it needs to be signed off on by me. So we were trying to figure out a way that I can get, maybe I can just give the clerk permission to sign my name and fill it in, but whatever's going on, it wouldn't populate anything on it.
Jordan?
So if it doesn't give me the option, like if you can't click into it, I might not be able to. It should already have like it should be like either blue or something so you can actually click into it. If not, I'm probably not going to be able to. It might have to be resubmitted to Judge. But if Judge can do it on his side, if just like type your name, or I can type your name if you want me to, if you give me permission, if it lets me. But
Is this on
if
Hunter?
not,
It's on Megan Hunter. The jail visit was 12/6.
Okay, I'm gonna open the paperwork just to see what's going on with it.
Yeah, it's probably not going to let you do anything either, but hopefully it will.
Well, I'm looking at it right now. Let me
It's the
share.
last page.
I'll share the screen with you so you can see what I'm doing.
Thank you.
Okay, going through there. Going through there. Application for probation, personnel, care. And I'll be able to sign off on the $400 if that's what you're asking to be paid. It looks like it will allow me to do that.
No, see this one right here, the last page, attorney visit certification. It won't let me click on it.
Okay.
yeah, it should have already had like an option to click into. If not, it would have to be resubmitted because I can't put it in there either if Judge can't.
Can you send another piece of paper just by itself and let her sign that? Will Adobe let you do that, Jordan?
I don't send them. Debbie sends them.
Yeah, I send them, Judge, but that's in a packet. I don't have that one attorney visitation.
Yeah, if you can just resubmit like a whole, like, I guess another attorney voucher just to be filled out separately so I can just file them all like together. Because then that would
Debbie,
work.
can you do that?
Just send an attorney voucher. Does the visitation come with the voucher?
No.
No, it doesn't.
No. Okay,
It would have to be if there's a visitation, it would have to be the first page, that attorney voucher page, the visitation, and if you have the appointment as well.
Yeah,
but I can pull the appointment if it's in there.
Okay, I'm just looking for a workaround.
Judge, let me,
Mhm.
I'm gonna go in there and see if I can put, for her to sign it, signatures. Cause if it'll let me do that, let me see.
Okay.
Okay, the other thing
It,
is just submit a whole new set of paperwork for her. That will,
not the whole thing, maybe just
No, I'm
the
gonna go in
voucher
and,
and the visitation.
let me see. I don't know if I can, but I'm gonna try.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry, Karen, I didn't even think.
No worries, I'm here. I'm the
I'm
attorney
trying to
today,
do
so I'm
that.
not in a hurry.
Okay, great. Let's see.
basically that paper that you signed just says you visited her in jail, right?
Right.
Okay. If worst comes to worst, we can take the plea and we can recite on the record that you visited her on jail.
I just, when it gets to accounting though, they'll just ignore it. They'll kick it.
Oh, they
I've
will.
been getting so, I
Yeah,
have so.
they'll kick it back if it doesn't have a visitation with the right
Okay.
amount on there.
Well, Merry Christmas, Corby.
Thank you.
We'll try and figure it out.
I appreciate
Judge,
it.
what I can do, I think I can just print this all out and then just have you sign, yeah, I can. I can just print this out, have you sign it, and then can I
Hey,
email
who signed?
email
You
it?
signed it?
Email it to Karen Corby, maybe?
I mean, I don't mind
Okay.
giving permission for someone to sign my name off on that certification.
It's not giving me an option to put put for you to sign it.
Yeah.
I
See,
thought I
if
would.
we do
Okay,
this,
one moment. I'm
if we
coming.
take the plea and I send off the paperwork, can you physically go down to the courthouse and sign your name on it physically? Will that work?
I don't think it works that way. I think everything
No.
goes through the computer. You know, this new
Yeah.
21st century.
I can print it out and have you sign it.
Have sign it. Me sign it? Or her
Yes.
sign it?
That works. And then you can just send it to me via email and I can file it that way. Just as long as it comes like through email.
I mean, if you want to send it to me, Deborah, I can scan it, sign it, and send it back to wherever you tell me to send it back to, or whatever
Yeah.
works. Or someone could sign for me if that's quicker. That's fine with me.
So what's the deal? What are
One
we
moment,
doing here?
Judge. I'm trying to.
Well, let's go ahead and take the plea. And then, the old-fashioned way is to send Miss Corby the whatever paperwork she needs to sign, have her scan it, sign it, and then scan it back in the computer and send it back to wherever she needs to send it back to. Will that work?
Yes, if it
This is the voucher.
Where do I, what email address do I send it back to?
Okay, so let's do this. I'm looking at the form right now. If you will, if Debbie, can you send this to her?
Yes, I can.
Debbie's going to send you this attorney visit certification form. Print it out, sign it, scan it back on your computer, and send it back to Debbie.
She can send it to me or the county clerk. I
Or-
can send it to the county clerk.
Or send it back to Debbie, and then Debbie will send it to the county clerk, and we'll hope it'll work. If it doesn't work, I don't know what to tell you, Karen. I've done the best I can do on this part.
that should work. That should work.
It should work. Okay, let's try that then. So let's take the plea then.
Okay.
Let me pull up this lady's paperwork. Okay, Megan Hunter. I'm finding paperwork. Give me 1 minute. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Oh, there we go. Sure. Miss Hunter's case is there. Miss Hunter, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Is your name Megan Hunter?
Yes.
The same Megan Hunter who in this cause number 2024 CC 76145 is charged with the offense of cruel mischief of something having a value between $750 and $2,500. Is that you?
Yes.
This is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment can be in your case?
Yes.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed it, this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
So then, to the offense of cruel mischief as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
1 minute, please. You understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you? Besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
No, Your Honor, we are going to open, and
Okay.
the state is asking for a $0 fine plus court costs, 6 months of deferred adjudication, a no contact order with Natalie Vela, and restitution in the amount of $250 to Natalie Vela.
Okay, and what's the defense asking?
Judge, this is kind of an unusual case. This arose out of another case, an assault by injury. She was given 72 days judgment satisfied on. She was then subsequently picked up on this case, and she's done an additional 8 days. It's a $250 restitution. I think it's a sticking point. Unfortunately, I don't think that anybody's had a chance to talk to the complaining witness in well over a year. I think that if you take into consideration she did 72 days before and 8 days now, we're asking that you consider giving her, she's 36 weeks pregnant and just wants to move on with her life. We're asking you to give her judgment satisfied, I guess on 8 days, although she really has done about 80.
Well, my computer's showing 76 days. Does the computer show 76 days?
Oh, then that's even better.
Well, that's what my paper doc is showing. Jordan?
Debbie, can you double check that? Because it's not showing up properly for me either.
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm trying, yeah, Odyssey's a little slow, sorry.
Yeah, it's
So, yes. What is
Oh, one
the...
moment, Judge, it's coming up.
Hello, hello?
Well, in Odyssey, I'm showing 8 and
Okay.
16 credit for time served.
Okay. Then I'm just going to give her the time she has in jail.
Judge, I think I may have written the case number on there wrong. If you want to look at the case number, it should be 736145, and I think I put.
Let's look at it. Hold on.
Should be 736145. My bad.
Oh my God, this has just been a total nightmare for you.
I know.
I can correct
Well,
it.
I do have a head cold.
Okay.
Whatever that's
Can you
worth.
correct that, Jordan? Can you correct the heading there?
Yes, sir. I can correct that.
Okay. So then, what the court's going to do, ma'am, I'm going to give you credit for time served. That'll give you a final conviction in this case, but you won't have to worry about the restitution or anything. You'll be out of jail today if it's the only case holding you. Do you want to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, Ms. Hunter, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I'll follow the plea bargain. I don't follow the plea bargain. This is an open case. The court sentences you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 6 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And the judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Good luck to you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you.
And that's your Christmas good deed for the year, Ms. Corby. Okay? You used it up.
That's awesome. I'm scanning over this attorney's thing in here just a second, so I'll get that to you.
Okay. All right. Now, you cannot buy your way into heaven, by the way. So, I've tried many times. You just can't do it. All right. Then, magic words from somebody.
Judge, did you get on that Rich case, Keith Rich?
Which, I'm sorry?
Page 4.
The state is going to withdraw, Your Honor. I'm preparing
Oh,
the paperwork right
I
now.
didn't realize that we had one more case left. I thought we were finished. Oh. So what's the state gonna do that? Withdraw the MTR?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so
Magic words time, right?
MTR withdrawn. Did I hear that right, Ms. Taylor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, I'm preparing the motion to witdraws right now, Judge. I'm going to send them
Okay.
to both you and Keely.
Okay, so there's two of them.
Yes.
Okay, so then, does that mean I can release the ever able court reporter that wants eagerly to go shopping for Christmas right now?
Rich